If you love spending time in your garden, you know that the right tools make all the difference, especially when it comes to keeping your plants healthy and looking great. Dull or cheap pruning shears can tear stems, strain your hands, and make simple trimming feel like a chore. That's why having good pruning shears is a must-have. They give you clean cuts, help plants grow stronger, and make gardening smoother and more enjoyable. In this video, I'm going over the 8 best pruning shears for your garden. These picks are sharp, durable, and actually make your gardening work easier. Whether you're shaping shrubs, trimming roses, or cutting back overgrowth, there's a pair here that'll help you do it better. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these pruning shears aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 8 is the Gonic Titanium Bypass Pruning Shears. These are the most budget-friendly pruning shears on our list. If you're trimming plants on a weekend or cleaning up the yard after work, this one keeps things simple and affordable. Its blade is made from premium titanium-coated steel, which helps it stay sharp longer and make clean cuts. It's a bypass style, so the blade slices past instead of crushing, which is better for living plants. And it can cut branches up to about 3/4 of an inch thick, depending on the wood. I also like that it has the sap groove. It's a small channel in the blade that helps sap slide away, so the pruners don't get sticky halfway through your work. The handles have a non-slip grip that's comfortable and easy to hold, even if your hands get sweaty or tired. There's also a safety lock to keep the blades closed when you're not using them, which is always good to have. So if you want pruning shears that get the job done without draining your wallet, the Gonic Titanium Pruners are a solid pick. Number 7 is the Corona Clipper BP 42-14D Flex Style Bypass Pruner. These are the most adjustable pruning shears on our list. This pruner has a dial-it-in fit. The flex dial on the handle has 8 settings, so you can adjust how wide the blades open. You're going to have a smaller setting for thin stems and a wider setting for thicker branches. It makes a big difference, especially when you're doing lots of small cuts and don't want to keep squeezing hard every time. It's also a bypass pruner, so the blade slides past the other side instead of crushing the plant. This helps you get cleaner cuts, which plants recover from faster. And the blade is coated and non-stick, so sap doesn't build up and slow you down mid-job. And as for the comfort gel grips are soft but grippy, so your hand doesn't slip. You're also going to have shock guard bumpers that cushion each cut, which helps reduce hand fatigue when you're pruning for a while. The body is full steel, so it feels solid and durable, not flimsy. It can handle branches up to about 3/4 of an inch thick, which covers most garden and yard work. It also has a safety lock to keep the blades closed when you're not using it. So if you want pruning shears that adjust to your hand and your cuts, the Corona Flex Dial is a smart choice. Number 6 is the Gardener's Friend Pruning Shears. These pruning shears are the easiest to use on our list. These pruning shears are made for people who want strong cutting power without wrecking their hands. Now, instead of cutting everything in one hard squeeze, the blade moves in steps. You squeeze, it locks in, then you squeeze again. Each click gives you more power. That means less strain on your hand and way more control. It's especially helpful if your hands get tired easily or you're working longer in the garden. These are anvil-style pruners, so the blade presses down onto a flat surface. That's great for dry stems, tough stalks, and small branches. They can handle branches close to 1 inch thick depending on the wood and your strength. The blade is made from heavy-duty manganese steel and has a non-stick coating, so sap doesn't build up and slow you down. Plus, the aluminum body keeps it tough, but not overly heavy. There's also an improved safety latch and a soft insert that helps hold branches steady while you cut. This is what Sandy wrote. These are the absolute best pruning shears I have ever owned without a doubt. They cut through branches I never would have been able to attempt with regular pruners, like butter. I'm a 72-year-old woman with arthritis. These have been a blessing for me. They are an excellent value for the money. So if you want to make hard cuts easy on your hands, the Gardener's Friend Pruning Shears are the way to go. Number 5 is the ARS HPVS 8Z Signature Pruner. These pruning shears are best for roses on our list. If you've ever worked around rose bushes, you know clean cuts really matter. You can have full control and precision with this pruner, which is why it's such a favorite for roses and delicate plants. It's made in Japan, and the quality feels very intentional. The blades are hard chrome-plated, which helps protect against rust and keep sap from sticking. This counts a lot when you're making a lot of small cuts, and the bypass design gives you smooth, clean snips instead of crushing stems, which helps roses heal better after pruning. There's also a one-hand latch lock, so you can open and close it easily without fumbling around. It can cut up to about 15 millimeters, which is roughly half an inch. That's perfect for rose canes, flowers, and light branches. Another plus is that the blades are replaceable, so you're not stuck buying a whole new tool if it wears out. ARS also offers a limited lifetime warranty, so if roses are your thing and you want clean, careful cuts without beating up your hands, the ARS HP VS8Z is a great pick. And if you want to know the latest prices for the pruning shears discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Fiskars Pruning Shears. These are the most heavy-duty pruning shears on our list. If you deal with thicker stems and tougher branches, this is the tool you need. This pruner has Fiskars Power Gear technology. It has smart gearing to give you more power right where the cut is hardest, so you're not fighting the branch with your hand. Again, this is a bypass pruner, which means the blade slides past the other side for a clean cut instead of crushing the plant. The fully hardened steel blades stay sharp even with heavy use, and they're made to handle stems up to about 3/4 of an inch thick. That covers most shrubs, hedges, and woody plants around the yard. Now, comfort-wise, it's well thought out too. The handle has a rolling design that moves with your hand as you squeeze. It helps reduce hand strain, especially if you're trimming for more than a few minutes. It's lightweight too, so it doesn't feel bulky or tiring to hold. It also fits easily into most pruner holsters if you use one. The blades have a low friction coating which helps them glide through wood and keep sap from sticking. That also helps protect against rust over time. Fiskars backs this pruner with a lifetime warranty, which says a lot about how long they expect it to last. So if a sturdy pruning shear is all that you need, the Fiskars pruning shears are hard to beat. Number 3 is the Felco F6 pruning shears. These pruning shears are the best for smaller hands on our list. If regular pruners feel too big or awkward in your hand, this one makes a lot more sense. The Felco F6 is smaller, lighter, and easier to control, which helps when you're doing careful cuts instead of heavy chopping. It's a bypass pruner, so the blade slides past the other side for a clean cut. The hardened steel blade stays sharp and can cut branches up to about 0.8 inches thick. That's perfect for grapevines, shrubs, young trees, and general cleanup around the yard. Plus, the rotating handle rolls with your hand instead of rubbing against it. That takes pressure off your fingers and wrist, especially during longer pruning sessions. There's also a shock absorber, so the cut doesn't feel harsh. And the handles are forged aluminum, so they're strong but still lightweight. And every part is replaceable. In terms of size, it's about 7.7 inches long and weighs under half a pound, so it feels balanced and easy to maneuver in tight spots. So if you have smaller hands and want pruning shears that feel natural, precise, and easy to control, the Felco F6 is a solid choice. Number 2 is the Easy Cut Heavy Duty Pruning Shears Green. These pruning shears are the best for beginner gardeners on our list. If you're just getting into gardening, this one makes life a lot easier. This pruning tool has a ratcheting action. Instead of cutting a branch in one hard squeeze, it breaks the cut into steps. That means less force from your hand, which is great if your grip isn't strong or if your hands get tired fast. Plus, these shears have an SK5 hardened carbon steel blade. It can handle thick stuff. You can cut branches up to about 1.5 inches, which is more than enough for shrubs, flowers, and even small tree limbs. And the non-stick coating doesn't let the sap build up and slow you down. It has cushioned handles, is non-slip, and has shock-absorbing pads. That helps keep your wrist and palm from hurting, especially if you're pruning for a while. And the safety lock closes this up when you're done and tosses it in a bag without worrying. As for the build quality, it's solid too. It's an all-metal design and made from cast aluminum. So if you want pruning shears that are easy to use, the Easy Cut heavy-duty pruning shears are a smart place to start. Number 1 is the Felco F2 pruning shears. These are the best overall pruning shears on our list. If you've ever tried pruning with cheap clippers that bend, pinch, or hurt your hand, this is the complete opposite experience. The Felco F2 is made in Switzerland and it feels solid. It has forged aluminum handles, which are strong enough to last a lifetime. As this is a bypass pruner, the sharp blade slides past the other side for a clean, smooth cut instead of crushing the branch. And the hardened carbon steel blade is sharp and can handle branches up to about 1 inch thick without much effort. The cut feels smooth and controlled, not forced. Plus, the handles have a non-slip coating, and the angled head helps reduce wrist strain, which matters if you're trimming trees, roses, or shrubs for a while. You're also going to have a simple locking latch, so it stays closed when you're not using it. Also, every part is replaceable. Blades and springs, bolts, all of it. You can sharpen it, service it, and keep it going for decades instead of throwing it away. Here's what Mike wrote. Bet cutting pruner, especially the thick branches. Heavy duty, well made, and made to last. It costs more but makes the work easier and you get more done in less time. I've tried several pruners. I like this pruner the best. So if you want to buy a pruning tool once and rely on it in every season, Felco F2 pruning shears is gonna be your best bet. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect pruning shears. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each pruning shear. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.